Hi, I'm Dan Noon, and today I'm here to talk to you about G2 Goldfields, which has a high-grade discovery in Guyana, South America. Guyana is a country of historic gold production. It is located in the Guyana Shield and is the western half of the North African Shield, which has given up over 300 million ounces historically, and in the Guyana Shield, only 100 million ounces have been discovered to date. We firmly believe it is the greatest country to explore in if you're looking for Tier 1 assets outcropping, as does Mark Bristow from Barrick Gold. Guyana is the fastest growing economy in South America. Last year, its GDP growth was 45.5%. This is due to the discovery of 11 billion barrels of oil and growing by Exxon. Guyana is an English-speaking country with English law, and is a democratically elected government. We also like Guyana because we've historically discovered gold mines there and built them. G2 Goldfields has a high-grade discovery in the Aremu-Oko district. The discovery was made in 2020, and in 2022 we released an initial resource of 974,000 ounces of inferred at 9.25 grams per tonne gold and 220,000 ounces of indicated at 8.63 grams per tonne gold. Since that time, we've been drilling consistently at the Oko Main Zone to expand it, but we've also made the discovery at the Guyana Zone, which lies immediately south of the Oko Main Zone. To date, from the north of the Oko Main Zone to the south of the Guyana Zone, we have 2.1 kilometres of mineralisation outcropping. We have drilled the Oko Main Zone to 500 metres depth now, and we have currently drilled the Guyana Zone to 300 metres. Elsewhere in the district, we have 4 other zones of multi-kilometre long anomalous gold surface where there has been historic artisanal mining. We are currently exploring those aggressively to generate high-grade drill targets. The team in G2 Goldfields has a history of success in Guyana. Patrick Sheridan was the founder of Guyana Goldfields, and I was the VP of Exploration. Guyana Goldfields made the discovery of the Aurora deposit, and we took it through discovery, through to financing, and we built the mine before it was sold to Zijin Mining. Torben Michelson has vast experience of developing assets in South America, in particular the Guyana Shield, and Boaz Wade, our VP of Exploration, has been involved in the construction of 2 mines and the discovery of another one. The corporate snapshot: common shares outstanding is 183 million shares. The insider shareholding is 54,750,000 of those shares, and shares fully diluted is 200 million. Currently, the company has 12 million Canadian dollars as a cash position, when we are well funded to continue to explore and expand the Oko discovery. Research coverage is by Scott Capital Partners, Hallmark Securities, and Moth Capital Partners. The goal of the company moving forward in the midterm is to release value by expansion of the known mineral deposits and new discoveries across our vast 28,000 acres. To date, we have only drilled extensively in the southern 2.5 kilometres of strike, and so we have another 17 kilometres of known mineralisation to explore. The deliverables in association with this are the expansion of the high grade, the Oko Main Zone, which we are currently doing with 2 rigs. The definition of the Guyana zones, there are 3 from south, central and north. We're still defining how big they are and to what depth they'll go. We're in a continued aggressive exploration of historic mining along trend. This is the real upside. There's definitely another Guyana and Oko to be discovered. And we do that by generating high-grade quality targets and we're taking them to drill stage. The upside of the company is that we have very much a high-grade deposit, which will most likely become a mine, but we have another 17 kilometres where we have 4 or 5 potential discoveries of the same magnitude. So why would you buy G2 Goldfields now? The near-term value-creating catalysts that we have in front of us are the high-grade drilling at the Oko Main Zone, which continues, expanding the new discovery at Guyana, drilling new targets to create a district-scale camp, and an updated mineral resource which will come out in Q4 this year.